Hey everyone, if you're seeing a strange white bar at the top of File Explorer or other apps on your Windows PC, don't panic. This is a known issue and I will walk you through how to fix it step by step. This problem usually shows up after a Windows update or when something is off with the graphics settings. So let's get right into the first method that works for most people. Go ahead and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Exit to open Task Manager. Now scroll down and find Windows Explorer in the list, right-click it and click Restart. Give your screen a second, it will flash or refresh, and in many cases that white bar disappears instantly. If it's still there, let's move to the second fix. Right-click your desktop and choose Display Settings. Then scroll down and click on Advanced Display Settings. Now click Display Adapter Properties and check what graphics driver you're using, if it's Intel or Nvidia. You may want to update it. To do that, press Windows plus X, then click on Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section, right-click your graphics card and hit Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows do its thing. After the update, restart your computer and check if the white bar is gone. Still seeing it? There is another trick that might help. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System, Display, Graphics Settings. Under Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, try turning it off if it's on or on if it's off. Then restart your system. This has fixed the problem for some users instantly. Alright, that should do it. That annoying white bar should be gone by now. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. See you in the next one.